Well, hi everyone. I was walking up the aisles of the IDS. I stopped at my friends at Curaprox and I saw something on the wall that says Samba. And I came over and met Rosita and I said, "What is this?"
Well, Samba is first of its kind robotic toothbrush. It
Robotic
introduces, yes, robotic, because it can brush your teeth without a hand movement. How does it work? Actually, it employs low and high frequency oscillations to drive these bristles, which are soft and very gentle, alongside all the teeth in the mouth. It helps a lot of people who cannot perform the normal brushing routine because of limited mobility, dexterity, or an incapability to understand how to perform that.
Oh, that's fabulous. So
Yeah.
I see it has brushes on the bottom and on the top. So,
Yeah, exactly.
so you brush it, you put this, I bite into this on the top. I see.
Yes.
It's
First you put it on the upper jaw.
Yeah.
Then you suitably move it towards the gum line in order to reach the critical area.
Sure, right?
Yeah, and just press the button and it will start brushing your teeth, and in 30 seconds it will stop. Then you just change the jaw, rotate it, place it on the lower jaw,
I see.
press again, and it finishes the
And
job.
these other brushes do the occlusal surfaces of the opposite arch.
Yes, exactly. It is for the
Oh.
occlusal surfaces, but they also help to guide the patient not to
stabilize it, right,
bite.
right.
Yeah.
So
And
this would be
be
helpful
very
to people
comfortable.
in like nursing homes too, and
Yes,
people with
exactly.
disabilities.
This is meant for people, as I said, who cannot perform the normal brushing routine just because they are limited.
Let me
in
say
the manual
something. I'm a
brushing.
dentist. Most people can't perform a brushing routine. Anybody could use this.
Yeah, it is meant for people
Yeah.
with disabilities to really introduce comfort in their daily routine and help them achieve oral health, and with this improve their quality of life.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's all good.